This exercise hits the upper chest, the triceps, and the front deltoids. It provides a complete workout for your upper body. Doing push-ups with your knees on a bench puts greater pressure on the upper body and improves your balance and coordination. 1. Sit in push-up position with your knees on a bench or other flat surface. Keep your knees bent and your body straight. 2. Slowly lower your upper body till the floor by bending your arms. 3. Press your body back up, squeezing your pectoral muscles.
1, 2, 3, come on!